Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this cool drawing effect on the Alight Motion app. So open up a video and I'm just going to press the plus button, and then I'm just going to choose freehand drawing, and here you can select the brush size, and I'm just going to select this color, and I'm just going, that is not what I wanted to draw. I'm just going to draw a better heart than that. Actually, I'm just going to write XOXO, even though this is not Gossip Girl. But I'm just going to go back, go to Effects, and choose Add Effect. Go to Drawing and Edge and select Drawing Progress. Here you can do standard settings, draw gradually, erase gradually, draw then erase, or flow from start to end. And I'm just going to choose the draw gradually one, and this is what it'll look like. So it'll like draw, like have like a, of like an effect, a drawing effect. But that is basically it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!